Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video, we discussed about that concept 3, right? In this video, we are going to discuss the questions which are related to worksheet 3. Okay? See here, ma. Match the following here. Column A and column B. Okay, two columns are given. Again, we need to do that matching. See here. By seeing this matching, here we can observe that this is related to angles, types of angles. Okay, here how many types of angles are there, ma? Here just we are talking about that 7, right? What are those here? Acute, obtuse, right, right after straight, straight after reflex, reflex after complete angle, and in the same way 0 angle also there. So totally 7 angles are there. See here, along with that, here 69 degrees is there. 69 degrees means that is less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees means what we will call that one, ma? That is acute angle. See here, less than 90 degrees, what we will call? That is acute angle. And in the same way, exactly 90 degrees, we will call that one as right angle. Okay. Next, greater than 90 degrees, that is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Okay. That is obtuse angle. Okay, ma. Along with that, exactly is equal to 180 degrees, that is straight angle. Okay. Greater than 180 and less than 360. That is the reflex. Okay. Next, exactly is equal to 360. We will call that one as a complete angle. Okay. Along with that, 0 degrees, which is equal to 0 degrees. We will call this one as 0 angle. Okay, ma. Now here see that these are the types of angles. Now observe this one. 69 degrees, which means less than 90 degrees only, no? Less than 90 degrees means that is acute angle. Where we are having acute angle, that is in option D. Okay. Next, 91 degrees. 91 means greater than 90. Greater than 90 means that is obtuse angle. So here we are having obtuse angle. Option A. Next, 359. 359, where we are having, here 359 is there. So 359 comes under reflex angle. So here reflex angle is there. This is B. And here exactly equals to 360. 360 exactly equals to 360 means that is complete angle. Okay. Option C. Clear, ma? D, A, B, C. Which option? D, A, B, C. Option 4 is correct here. D, A, B, C. Yes, that's it. Fourth option is correct here. Okay. Yes. Second one, say that if the two hands of a clock shows the time 7 a.m. This is 7 a.m. clock. Okay, ma? Then the angle between them is. See here, when you observe that options, here they given that greater than exactly equals to 180 and greater than 180, which means which type of angle they are asking? Here they are asking about that this angle. This is a reflex angle only, no? Greater than 180 means that is a reflex angle. Exactly equals to 180 means that is straight angle. Okay, as per the options, here we are having two kinds of angles. See here, ma. Here this is one kind of angle and this is one kind of angle. This is a reflex angle. Okay. And come to this one. Here this is acute angle. Sorry, obtuse angle. Greater than 90 degrees. No. So that's why here this is obtuse angle. Okay, ma, reflex angle, obtuse angle. Now, which one they are asking? As per that given options, greater than 180. Greater than 180, which means those are reflex angles only, no? Okay, that's why we need to find that this angle we need to find out. Okay, ma. Now, here see that. See. Here, exactly up to 6 o'clock means how many minutes are there here? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes are there. Along with that, here, one more 5 minutes are there. Okay, which means here 35 minutes are there. 35 minutes means how many degrees are there, ma? For that 30 minutes, see that total angle 360 degrees. Total angle 360 degrees. See here, ma. Then here this is a straight angle, right? This is a straight line, 12 to 6, this is a straight line. So here how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. So this part is called, that is 180 degrees, straight line only there, no? Okay, then this angle is 180 degrees. Along with that 180 degrees, here one more 5 minutes added, no? One more 5 minutes added. See here, 360 degrees by here 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes means how much you will get, ma? Here actually 5 7s 35. Okay, exact time you will get here, but each minute is having here how many angles? Okay, how much angle we need to find out? Okay, totally here 60 minutes there, no? Okay, 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and here 6 5 30, 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Okay, each minute, 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees here. 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. Now here how many minutes are there, ma? Here 5 minutes are there. 5 minutes is equal to 6 into 5, which is equals to 6 5 30. Already we are having here 180 degrees. Okay, now 180 degrees plus 30 degrees, which is equals to here 210 degrees. Which is equals to 210 degrees. Which option is correct, ma? Here option 2. Okay, yes. Second one say that. Next, third one say that if the minutes hand shows the time of 6:48 p.m. then the angle swept by hand. Okay, then here this angle we need to find out. Okay, see here, ma. Actually here the diagram given like this, but see that at 6 o'clock what is that angle? At 6 o'clock the angle is here 180 degrees. Okay, and in the same way, which means here this is a 180 degrees angle. Now here this angle, this total one we need to find out, no? At 6:45, okay, then how much you will get here? 6:45 means actually here this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees and here one more 90 degrees. Okay, ma? Totally here at 6:45, at 6:45, what is that angle here? 6:45 means this is 6:15 and this is 6:30 and this is 6:35. Okay, sorry, 6:45. Then here finally this is that angle 6:45 degree. 6:45. At 6:45 the angle is here 90, 90 and here 90, which is equals to 90 into 3 is equal to 270. Okay, plus 3 minutes. 3 minutes is equals to 3 into 6 degrees, which is equals to 18 degrees. Why? Because 1 minute makes here 6 degrees. That's why 3 into 6 degrees is equals to 18 degrees. Now here at 6:48 o'clock, 6:48 p.m. they're asking, no? 6:48 p.m. Then here the total angle is 270 plus 18 degrees, which is equals to 288 degrees. Am I clear, ma? Okay, just you have to assume that 6 o'clock. After that 6 o'clock, here just assume that 6:15, 6:30 and 6:45. Okay, then easily you will get that. At that each 15 minutes, here we are having that 90 degrees angle. So 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 90, that is equals to 270. And here for that 3 minutes, each minute makes here 6 degrees angle. So totally 3 into 6 degrees, which is equals to 18 degrees. Finally here at 6:48 p.m., the angle is 288 degrees. Which option is correct, ma? Here option 3 is correct. Okay, yes. Next, fourth one, say that if angle AOB is equals to 100 degrees, okay, clear? This is 100 degrees, where BOC and COD, that is in the ratio 3:5, which means 3x is to 5x. Okay, then angle AOC, they are asking angle AOC. This angle they are asking. Understood? Once again, see that what they given. This is 100 degrees and this is 3x and this is 5x. Okay, ma? Now what we need to find out? We need to find the angle of AOC. This total angle we need to find out. That is the given question. Okay. Now here say that. Here AOD is a straight line. Yes or no? AOD is a straight line. AOD is a straight line. Okay, ma? Then here angle at O is equals to, since angle at O is 180 degrees. Am I clear, ma? At that point O only, here this angle 180 degrees is divided into 3 parts. 180 degrees divided into 3 parts. Now here, already here 100 degrees they given. Okay. This one, how we can write that? Angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees as per this one. Okay, ma? Now here AOB is equals to, they given here 100 degrees. So 100 degrees plus BOC is equal to 3x, COD is equal to 5x, which is equals to 180 degrees. Clear? Now here 3x plus 5x, which is equals to here 8x, which is equals to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. Okay, ma? Now here 8x is equals to 180 minus 100, which is equals to 80 degrees. Now here x is equals to 80 by 8. 8 tens 80. Then here finally x is equals to how much, ma? Here x is equal to 10 degrees. Now what we need to find out? Now 3x is equals to 3 into 10 is equals to 30 degrees. And in the same way 5x is equals to 5 into 10 is equals to 50 degrees. Okay, ma? Now see that what we need to find out? We need to find that angle AOC. Angle AOC is equals to angle AOB plus angle BOC. If you add these two angles, then only we will get that angle AOC. Right that, ma? That's why here angle AOB is equals to how much? Already they given that 100 degrees. Plus BOC is equals to 3x. 3x means 30 degrees. Okay. Finally here AOC is equals to 130 degrees. 130 degrees. Which option is correct, ma? Option 3. Okay. Yes. Question number 5. What is that? Angle BOC. Yes, see here. Angle BOC and COD. Next AOD. These 3 angles they given. These 3 angles they given in the ratio form. Okay. Now here see that. Let angle BOC is equals to 3x. Angle COD is equals to 4x. Angle AOD or DOA, anything. Okay. AOD is equals to 2x. Clear, ma? And in the same way, OP, OQ, OR are bisectors of the given angles BOC, COD, AOD. Okay. Bisector angles they given. Now what they're asking here, see that. See, this is one of the angle. This is one of the angle. This is another angle. Okay. I'll show you the difference here. See that. Here the angle they given as, how much they given? AOD. AOD is 2x. Okay. Next here COD. COD angle is 4x. Okay. Here already written BOC 3x. Now bisectors means what, my? Angular bisectors means a bisector which divides the angle into 2 equal parts. Okay. So first to find that the given angles. Okay. Next to see that it's a dividing parts. See that. We know that here angle AOB is equals to how much, ma? AOB is a straight line. Then here angle at O is equals to 180 degrees only, no? AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Now this AOB only we can write it as angle AOD plus angle DOC or COD. Next angle BOC or COB, which is equals to 180 degrees. Clear? Now here angle AOD is equals to 2x plus COD is equals to 4x plus BOC is equals to 3x. Clear ma? Which is equals to 180 degrees. Now here 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. 9x is equals to 180 degrees and here x is equals to 180 degrees by 9. 9 ones and here 9 20s. Clear? As per this one here x is equals to 20 degrees. X is equal to 20 degrees. Now find out the angles. Angle AOD is equal to 2x, no? Next angle COD, which is equals to 4x. Angle BOC, which is equals to 3x, no ma? Here? Yes, 3x. BOC 3x. And x is equal to, we got the 20 degrees. 2 20s 40 degrees. 4 20s 80 degrees. And 3 20s 60 degrees. 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 80, 180 degrees. Am I clear ma? Okay, these are the angles. Now see that, here I will draw the diagram. This is O, AOB, okay. And here see that, this is AOD. Next this is C. Okay ma. Now here the angles are AOD is equal to, we got that 40 degrees. Next DOC, which is equals to 80 degrees. And in the same way BOC is equals to 60 degrees. Okay. As per this one here they given that angular bisectors also. Where are that angular bisectors? Here we are having the angular bisector. And here we are having the angular bisector. Here we are having that angular bisector. What are those names ma here? Names are OP, OQ, OR. OP, OQ, OR. Okay. Now here these are that angular bisectors. OP, OQ, OR. Are angular bisectors. Clear ma? Those are angular bisectors, means that angle divided into two equal parts. Now here see that 40 degrees, that this total angle 40 degrees means this is 20 and this is 20. Clear? Next 80 degrees, which means this is 40 degrees angle and this is 40 degrees angle. Then only total angle is 80. 20, 20. And here 60 degrees, no? 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Now we have that all the angles, am I right? Okay. Now what they're asking? Angle POR they're asking. Angle POR. Okay. Now angle POR is equals to POR. Here how many angles are there ma? See that POC plus COQ plus QOD plus DOR. These are the angles are there. These all angles just we have to add it. Okay. Now here see that POC. Angle POC. Okay. Next angle COD. Angle COD plus angle DOR. Okay. Which is equals to angle POC. POC. Which is equals to 30 degrees. 30 degrees plus angle COD. This total part is there, no? That's why taken here total part COD, that is 80 degrees plus DOR, which is equals to 20 degrees. Okay ma. Finally here 80 plus 20, 100, 100 plus 30, 130 degrees. Clear? Yes. Which option is correct here? 130 degrees. Option 1 is correct. Okay? Yes. Next, sixth question, see that. From the given figure, if x is to y is equal to 3 is to 7, x is to y is equal to 3 is to 7, okay? Then the values of a and z. Then the values of A and Z. See here, ma. Here, what are the angles they given? X, Y, A, Z. Okay, are the angles, and in the same way, angle X here, angle X and its opposite angle is Z. Angle Z are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And in the same way, angle Y and angle A are vertically opposite angles. Since X is equals to Z, Y is equals to A. Am I clear? Now, and one more thing they given. What is that? Also given that X and Y ratio they given. X is to Y is equal to 3 is to 7. X is to Y is equal to 3 is to 7. And here we know that X plus Y is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because X plus Y, that is lies on a straight line. Okay, that's why here lies on a straight line, straight angle. Okay, why? Because here at that point, here this total angle is 180 degrees only, no? That's why X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. As per this one here, 3X plus 7Y, which is equals to here, these two equals to 180 degrees, no? Okay, then how we can divide those two, ma, here? See that. Now, let the angle be A. Sorry, already A is given, no? Let the angle be some T. Okay, 3 is to Y they given. Then here, X is to Y is equals to 3T is to 7T. Okay, now here, 3T plus 7T is equals to 180 degrees. Which is equals to 10T is equals to 180 degrees. From this one, T is equals to here 180 divided by 10. Okay, ma? 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Then here T is equals to 18 degrees. T is equal to 18 degrees. Now here X is equals to, since X is equals to here 3T, no? 3 into 18 degrees, which is equals to 54 degrees. Next, Y is equals to here 70. 7 into 18 degrees, which is equals to 18 sevens here 126 degrees. Okay, ma? As per that question, what they are asking here? Since X is equal to, which two angles are equal here? X and Z are equal. X is equal to Z is equals to here 54 degrees. X is equal to 54, no? That's why obviously Z is also equals to 54 degrees. Okay, next Y is equals to A is equals to 126 degrees. Okay, now here which option is satisfying? Just we have to check that. A is equal to 54. Sorry, A is equals to here 126. Yes, A is equal to 126 and Z is equals to 54 degrees. Z is equal to 54, A is equal to 126. Here this is 126. This is 54. Now, which one is correct? See here, ma. A is equal to 54. No, this is wrong. Z is equals to 54. Satisfied. A is equal to 126. Satisfied. A is equal to 64. Wrong. A is equal to 54. Correct. Z is equal to 132 is wrong. So, that's why this is also wrong option. Okay. Yes. 7th question. See that. From the given figure, if C is equal to 28 degrees. C is equal to 28 degrees. Then the value of A plus B plus P plus Q. Okay. See here, ma. We know that here A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R is equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because at that point the total angle is 360 degrees only, no? Okay, that's why. And also given that C is equals to 28 degrees and Which two angles are equal, ma? Here C is equals to R. Okay, and here C is equals to R. Okay, now substitute here. Now A plus B plus, here C is equals to 28 degrees. Obviously R is also equals to 28 degrees. Now why? Because vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. If you know the one of the angle, then it's opposite angle also, we know that, right? Okay, then here A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R is equals to again 28 degrees, which is equals to 360 degrees. Clear, ma? Now here A plus B plus P plus Q plus 28 which is equals to 56 degrees is equal to 360. Now here A plus B plus P plus Q is equal to 360 degrees minus 56 degrees, which is equals to 304 degrees. Am I clear to you? Then here which option is correct? 304 degrees. Okay. Yes. Yes, see here, ma, and two more questions there here. If A minus B is equals to 20 degrees, then the value of A and B values they're asking. Okay, now here see that. Here A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because those two are linear pairs. Linear pair, how much you will get, ma? Sum of two angles is equal to two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then we will call those two are linear pair. Those two form here linear pair. Okay. And in the same way, given that A minus B is equal to 20 degrees. Now take the difference. Plus B minus B gets cancelled. A plus A is equals to 2A is equal to 180 plus 20, which is equals to 200. Okay. Now here A is equals to 200 by 2. 200s. Then here A is equal to 100. A is equal to 100. Okay. Now find that B value here. Then A minus B is equal to 20 degrees. No. Then here 100 minus B is equal to 20 degrees. Now here 100 plus 20 becomes minus 20. 100 minus 20 is equal to minus B becomes plus B. Okay. Then here B is equal to 100 minus 20, which is equals to 80. Okay. Then what are those values, ma? A is equal to 100, B is equal to 80. Which option is correct here? Option 1 is correct. Okay. Yes. Ninth question, say that. If an angle x degrees is equal to the supplement, x degrees is equal to that supplement, then the angle is, see here, given angles are supplementary angles are equal, they are saying. Okay. Equal supplement angles they given. Equal supplement angles means here two angles there, no? We know that x plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then those two angles are supplementary angles. Okay. Now here those two are equal supplement angles. X plus x is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees by 2. 2 ones, 2 90s. Okay, ma. Then here each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Now we need to find that which option is satisfying here. See that. Which option gives that 90 degrees? That is the correct one. First option. First option, what is that here? 1 by 3 right angle. 1/3 of right angle. 3 ones, 3 30s, which is equals to 30. Okay. Second one, 1/4 of straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degrees only, no? That's why. Here, 4 45s, 180, which is equals to 45 degrees. Next one, third one, 1/4 complete angle. 1/4 of complete angle is 360 degrees, no? 4 ones, 4 90s. So here we got that 90 degrees. X is equal to 90. That answer is there here in option 3. Option 4 also check that. 2 by 5 of right angle. Right angle 90 degrees only, no? And here 5 ones 5, 5 8s 40. 8 into 36 degrees. As per this one, which option is satisfying, ma? Here we got that x is equal to 90. Where we are having 90? Option 3 satisfies that 1/4 complete angle. Okay? Yes. See that, ma? After that, we are having 3A worksheet is that. The 3A worksheet we will discuss in that next video. Okay? Thank you all.